How to find post you commented on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find and see all your recent comments on Facebook. Now to do so, first open up the app and log into your account. Here, head into the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen just below the messaging icon. And once what you want to do is scroll down and head into settings. Now once on settings, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option activity log. You can see my activity log option just under my profile information. If you don't find it, you can always search it from the search bar, and here what you want to do is scroll down and head into interactions. You can see interactions, like, reactions, comments and more. Tap on manage interactions and then tap on filters and then head into categories, and on categories what you want to do is head into the comments. Now I'll just head into comments, and here you'll be able to see all the comments that you have made or all the comments that you have interacted on Facebook. You can select them and you can delete them or you can remove them from here. So this way you can find and see all your recent comments on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.